What's up, what's up, what's up? Alright. Just need to post on Instagram quickly. Yo, what's up everybody? What is up? What is up? What is up? Alright, so I'm just gonna go through what I'm looking at today quickly, and then I'll go through everyone on the chat. So I was looking at I did a breakdown on NFP for NASDAQ yesterday, right? And the thing with NASDAQ is it's typically mixed, okay? Before, when I used to trade NFP, the results would be pretty consistent in terms of like if it comes above or below the forecast amount, market would essentially move the same direction, all right? Not the same direction, like we would just follow, like if it comes below, it will go down. If it goes above, it will go higher up. But with gold, there's some form of consistency. And the forecast today is 88,000. So 80,000. I thought it was 88, but it's 80,000. What I'm looking at is it coming in lower, right? Lower than expected, slightly lower, probably 60 to 70. So not such a big price jump. But with that, right, I'll be looking at buying gold. So I'm going to be trading gold today, not NASDAQ, just because the likelihood of it moving with what I think, remember it's thinking, what I think is going to happen would result in gold going up, right? So we would enter the market in like 20 minutes, and then in 20 minutes I'm literally just gonna like full port my personal account, and then we see how it plays out. So yeah, we're trading gold today. There was also on NASDAQ, we can just quickly have a look at what NASDAQ could do. Looking at buying gold, bro. Buying gold. George, I got your account sorted. I'm going to send you the login. So I got all the logins. So I got it sorted. I'll send it to you. So day. This, and then I assume NASDAQ would go down, so USGZ would be there, and then the 1.618 would be lower down. Guys, could you just tell P, what's the person's name? Oh, P, just to leave and then come back if there's no sound for them. Cheslin, hey, what's up, bro? How are you doing? Alright, so I'm just going to do quick predictions for what I think will happen. Again, this is just predictions, right? This isn't like certainty, but I think that NASDAQ would essentially short at market, so probably at 28,864, something like that. All right, and then with gold, I'm looking at longs. It obviously depends where market is, but I'd probably like it to, it will most likely be where it is now. And then for gold, I'm actually looking at between here, most likely this is more realistic. So that's what I'm looking at for gold. And then NASDAQ, no, don't say it, bro, I'm currently in a long on that. Oh shucks. Oh yeah, to be honest, bro, like I was thinking longs for NASDAQ originally, but it's just like how NASDAQ has been reacting to the actual NFP results, right? Might actually, it's mixed. So for me, it's just safer probably trading gold. But NASDAQ, I'm shorts, gold longs. I'm in a long for NAS. Bro, like I said, NFP, it's a gamble, right? So one of us will be smiling at the end of the day. But don't just take my word for it, right? This is just, it really depends on what the market, the actual amounts are for NFP, all right? What the actual amounts are for NFP. George, after the call, I'm going to send you the 10K account, right? And then the 5K accounts, I'm getting the logins for that. So the 10K account's coming out. Cheslin, true. Bro, what's your take, Cheslin? What do you think is going to happen? And bro, honestly, there's no wrong answer. It's literally 50-50. But everyone in the chat, let me know what you guys think. One of us, bro, it's so true though. One of us will be smiling. One of us definitely won't. But yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking. I think my prediction is if the actual amount is between 60 to 70K for NFP, then gold would go up, which means that all the dollar stuff would essentially go down. And then if it's higher, gold would go down, and then NASDAQ would go up, right? So I'm just assuming that the forecast is going to be come in lower. Why I say that is because these are my based off the past 4 months. So you guys will be able to see over here. Or maybe take a screenshot if you want. But from July 2nd, the Forecast was 114K, and the actual amount was 57, right, which resulted in NASDAQ being bearish. And then on June 5th, this is the interesting part, the forecast was 85K, but the actual amount was literally more than double, which is 172K, but NASDAQ still reacted bearish, right? So that's why I'm saying, like, it's very mixed with NASDAQ. And then May 8th, it was bullish, it came in higher. April was bullish and came in higher. So my only concern is for that June. That June came in literally double and still went in bearish. Waiting for short on NASDAQ, but good news can be anticipated. The dollars are going up. So you thinking it will come in higher, right, Johan? You thinking it will come in higher? I'm not sure. Like, if you think, like, the month before was 57K, like, it's just so tough. So let's actually just look at the dates quickly. 2:30, and it was the 2nd of June, right? I mean July. Let me just check again. 2nd of July. Let's see what happened on gold. So it came in bearish and went up. Okay. So it came in bearish, and then let's see what it did when it came in bullish. That was the June 5th. June 1st, 2:30, came in bullish, and it tanked. So that's literally what I'm saying. If it comes in bullish, gold will sell. Fact. If it comes in bearish, gold will buy. Now the tough part is, what are the NFP numbers? What are the what is NFP thought? Bro, I think it's going to come in lower, genuinely. Like, I just have a feeling it's going to come in lower. The forecast is quite low, it's 80K. But, geez, I don't know. Last time it was 85K, the forecast, it came in double. So I don't know if that's a sign that it's going to be bullish again. But that's what I'm saying, like, gold is a little bit more predictable with NFP, purely because it respects it, right? And today is scary. We're going to be trading on the 1 minute time frame because, yeah, today's a gamble for sure. Good news. Waiting for a short on NASDAQ, but good news can be anticipated. Good news being it coming in higher, right, Cheslin? Yeah. Yeah, NFP is mad, guys. Like, NFP is like, yo, it is pretty wild. Damn, it's so fun, but it's so stressful. How many of you guys are trading personal funds today? I'm curious. And if you guys are trading personal funds, what I recommend, right? This is what I did at Volt, right? Trading accounts. If you look at trading accounts, right, what they have is a 250% account bonus. All right. So that means that if you put in, just say 10,000 Rand, you get 25,000 Rand extra for buying power. It doesn't help with margin or like you go into negative. If you go minus 10,000 Rand, your account will blow. But the buying power equates to 35,000 Rand. All right, so if you're trading NFP, I definitely recommend creating an account with Vault Markets just to maximize today, right? If you guys are trading prop firms, it's good luck. You know, prop firms is going to be tough. You can either get a juicy payout or you can fail your account. Like, that's literally what's going to happen today if you're trading with prop firms. Come on, guys, Discord chat, let me know what you guys are thinking. Gold, sell, buy, NASDAQ, sell, buy, let me know. I'm very curious. I know George is in a buy. Who else is buying? Daniel's also looking at longs. Shout out Megatron, shot for letting them know. Personal funds, yeah, bro. That's honestly like probably the best way to go with NFP today. Just trading personal. If you have a lot of like accounts, then you could probably like risk an account. But also the thing is, a lot of prop firms don't allow you to trade NFP, so it wouldn't help anyways. And usually what happens with NFP, right, is that we call it a data wick. So a data wick will form, all right, whatever candle forms in like the first 5 or 15 minutes. And then depending on where price closes below or above this data wick, once the initial news comes out, it either continues going down or continues going up. Right, so the only problem is like with this, you'll get in like later entries, but that's also an option. But for me, what I'm probably going to do is I'm full porting my account. I say full porting because I'm looking at like giving myself some leeway. So even if it goes like 100 pips down, I won't necessarily blow my account, right? So I'm risking my full account, but I'm not like, it needs to move in this candle. Otherwise, that's not giving myself enough leeway. Dead bro, it's tricky. Very NFP. Oh, very NFP, bro. To me, if NASDAQ goes higher than 2955, then I will go long. 29. Okay, yes, when it breaks this. I agree with that. I agree with that, Chizzy. So yeah, we're going to be trading in about like 6 minutes. 6 minutes, I'm entering my trades. Do you come daily? Usually just Mondays and Thursdays. Today's an exception because today's just an exception because of NFP. Do you have a Telegram channel? Yes, I have a signals group on Telegram. Let's get ready. Yes, bro. Yo. It's gonna be so crazy. Today is either gonna be like, I think today's gonna be like one of the shortest streams ever, because it's like we enter, whatever happens, and we just see. But guys, my best advice is like today, it's more so entertainment. All right, it's more so entertainment. So whatever you think is gonna happen with NFP, go with it. All right, don't follow me. All right, don't follow me, bro. Like, just go with what you think is gonna happen. Because for me, my NFP bias has been switching. Right, it's been switching a lot. I was gonna trade NASDAQ, and because I saw the previous data that's been mixed, I'm now moving on to gold just because it's a little bit more predictable, but I essentially need to guess what the actual amount is going to be. That's it. Yo, Marcus, how are you, bro? Jeez, I haven't seen you in ages. Are you keeping well, bro? Your signals group in Telegram. Umar, yes, it's on Telegram. Just DM me on Instagram. That's my name, Jamie Hu. Then you can get access to it. But today you don't need access because I'm trading on here. I want to trade with you always after this. If, like, I just hope we win. But yeah, it's literally a 50-50, bro. Like, it's literally a 50-50. So either a lot of people are going to be happy or going to be upset. But that's why I say, oh, I don't know why. That's my name. Sorry, not Andrews. It's Jamie Hu. Afterwards, brother. Sweet, bro. Yeah, text me, bro. Nice to see you, man. Just got on stream, but recent NP data isn't showing solid correlation between price action and report. Yes, exactly, bro. Dev knows what he's saying. Exactly that. Like, it could be anywhere NFP today. There's not like a solid thing of like, this is this. I'm just assuming because previous month was 57K, right? And this month is 80K, which is more conservative, but I still think like we're going to get 60, 70 around that. That's what I think the actual forecast will be. I mean, yeah, actual NFP results will be. But again, guys, this is the last time I'm saying this. Please just follow your plan, okay? Like, I might be completely wrong with this. Like, with like my system and price action, everything cool. I like have a good grasp on this. But with NFP, bro, it's like, it's guessing, all right? I'm full porting an account. Bro, me too. I'm also full porting an account. So I hope you make racks, bro. Cosmic, what are you looking at? What are you trading? Gold or NASDAQ? And then what's your like bias on that? Subash. Who's Subash? I just texted you back on Telegram, bro. Going to buy gold. Okay, barcode. Nice. Damn, I closed one account to only trade my NAS long on my personal. Nice, bro. Oh, Subs. 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 Subs, are you Bosch? Or you... Which Subs? Subash, yeah. Where... Are we friends, bro? Because I know Subash. So that's why I'm just asking. Or if it's a... What's your surname? Sorry. Rompanad. Oh, it's a different Subash. Oh, it's a different Subash. That's why I was curious, bro, because one of my friends is called Sebastian. Yeah, text me back on Telegram, bro, but I'll probably, like I said with the signals, you don't need signals today because I'm trading live. If you want signals later on, then you can join like next week. All right, guys, one more minute. One more minute. So yeah, I'm looking at longs on gold and probably for NASDAQ sells. All right, but let's see what comes up. All right, we got 50 seconds left. All Alright guys, so I'm getting into positions now. I'm busy stacking on gold. Let's go. Okay, we up. Sorry, I sound like one of those typical traders. We are up, guys, on gold. Fucking massive. Let's go. Let's go. What was the data that came out? Oh, we are so up, guys. We are so fucking up. We are so fucking up. Let's go. We are so fucking up. We are so fucking up. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, even the position that I said, retest on daily high, W's on the fucking chat. W's on the fucking chat. W's on the fucking chat! Let's fucking go! Woo! That's what we do! That's what we do! Come on! Come on! That's what we do! Enter 5 minutes before because of my funding account. Nice. So the actual amount was 23,000. Way lower than expected. Way fucking lower. Sorry for swearing. Okay, NASDAQ. You see, that's what I'm saying. That's why we don't trade NASDAQ on NFP, because it was mixed. Right? Look at that. It came in low and it's still going up. That's what I'm saying. But gold just respects. Gold just respects. Let's fucking go! $38K banked. Fuck. Let's go, Nicole. What the fuck? That's crazy. Okay, sorry for swearing, guys. I'm just so pumped. Alright, definitely like just take your cash now. Like, I was aiming for obviously this, which was very like still optimistic, but take your cash, bro. We done with NFP. Like, let's go. Oh, we so up. We are so back. Guys, look at that entry as well. Like, we were stacking there. Crazy shit. Cheslin, did you do it, bro? Chezzy, let me know. Alright, let's see what happens. I think what essentially like we might come a little bit down for gold, and then New York Open just going to continue. Like New York Open will also be quite disgusting. But that's it. Guys, Vault Markets is literally the best. Like I cleaned, like I 4x'd my account because of the bonus. I literally 4x'd my account for Vault Markets because of the 250% bonus. Let's go. Cinematic, bro. Cinematic. Okay, I'm just gonna film a story quick. Yo, what's up guys? NFP, we just absolutely smashed it with the Vault Markets 250% bonus account. Literally 4x my account, and so did these little cheeky people here in the chat. Let's go. NFP smashed on gold. Shout out Vault Markets for having a 250% bonus account. Thank you, and see you next week. Damn. Damn. Let's see what NASDAQ did. Still climbing. Guys, I'm telling you, like the thing with a lot of brokerages with like high news events is that they don't let you place orders, right? They're like, it makes that like sound, do whatever. And if you find a good brokerage, I know like I'm obviously like delays involved right now, but like if you guys find a good brokerage similar to Volt, or at least trade with Volt, especially if you're in South Africa, you can maximize days like this. Like, bro, execution was amazing. They let me place the orders, let me close. There was no lag. Like when I saw the amount that I wanted to close, I closed and sorted. Kaboom. Oh, we gotta love it. All right, guys, that's literally the stream. If you guys did make cash, please Send me like something on Instagram or like tag me on your post if you share that stuff, and then I'll catch you guys next week Monday. All right, I'm not going to New York. I'm done for the day. Yeah, we cashed. Literally the shortest stream ever. How long have we been streaming for? Like 34 minutes. Like, we are done. Beauty day, bro. Gold's still climbing, but like, hey, you know, like, I'm happy with what we got. So awesome. All right, guys, shout out for watching. At least we hit a W on NFP. Like, frick, okay. All right, YouTube, adios. Discord, much love to you guys. I'll see you guys Monday. And yeah, have a blessed weekend. All right, take care. Very interesting stream. Yeah. All right, cheers, guys. Bye.